everybody, welcome back to our kitchen. I have my fabulous assistants today, Amelia and Evelyn, and we're going to make some yummy popsicles. So, because the summer heat is coming, it is coming fast. So if you have a little ice cube tray like this is what we're going to use today, just to make little popsicles. You can use any kind of mold that you have in the house. So we're going to start with some yogurt. I'm going to give each of you a scoop of yogurt. Okay. Maybe 2 scoops. Okay. And then we're going to add some almond milk.
Almond breeze.
Can you stir that up, Amelia? Okay, it's going to be so delicious. A little bit of honey. Squeeze of honey for Evelyn. There, stir that all up. Yum, yum, yum. And then we're going to add some fresh fruit. We're going to add blueberries. Does it? Yummy. A little bit of blueberries. Oh, sorry. Just a little bit of blueberries for you. Okay, stir it up, friends. Stir, stir, stir. Now, once you've got it all stirred up, you're going to take your spoon. Let's see, now that looks good. Okay, take your spoon and you're going to spoon it into each square. Are you ready, Evelyn? Let's see how yours is doing. That looks wonderful. Okay, so can you come a little closer here? And you can spoon your yogurt into the, right, very good. I'm going to move yours a little closer, Evelyn. So spooning is great for your coordination. Okay, Amelia's going to do the middle. So it takes a lot of skill to scoop and pour that yogurt into each dish. These are going to be so yummy. Oh, that one has lots of blueberries in it, Amelia. Good. Fill it right up to the top. And then once they're filled up to the top, we're going to use these little kind of like popsicle sticks that we found in our pantry. Oh, I'm sorry. So we're going to put the popsicle sticks in like this, and then we're going to put them in the freezer. And I'm guessing it's going to take, a little while before they'll be ready, but hopefully by tomorrow when it's bright and sunny out and hot, we'll have nice, fresh, frozen, healthy popsicles to eat. That looks great, girls. Okay, they're going to finish topping up all the yogurt and berries. See you soon.